Ross. Sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, I painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any female. Got a shorty blog, had her texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail.
Hello everyone, welcome back, and in this video I'll be taking a road trip over to the Grand Canyon from Southwest Florida. Here it is quite a long road trip. It's like 30 hours or so, but I mean it is pretty worth it for the view at the Grand Canyon. I'll be taking my Lexus here on the road trip. This is an amazing car, a very nice smooth suspension, giving you a comfortable ride for a couple of hours. But yeah, so I think for now let's head down to the stud rack here, get some gas, and then head down to the Publix and then get some food and stuff for the road trip. But yeah, I heard that the Grand Canyon is very nice views. But yeah, so let's stop for some gas here before we head onto the road. A very long road trip, so we for sure need a lot of gas. But yeah, so right now let's actually head down to the Publix now, since we already did get our gas here. Let's head down to the Publix, pick up some food and other supplies like water and stuff. But yeah, I'll see you guys at the Publix. Alright guys, now we are here at the Publix, and let's actually park right now. Oops, accident crash there. But let's park the car here. There we go. Let's head into the Publix. I think they're open already. It's 2 p.m. Probably have been already open. But let's head into the Publix here. I think I'm gonna grab some chips here, and I don't think I'm gonna grab any fruits. I think I'm gonna grab a Coke here, a little can of Coke, and then I think I'm also gonna grab a sandwich to eat on the way there. Let's grab a sandwich and head out here and pay real quick. Total comes out to like $20. Not so bad, pretty cheap in my opinion. But right now I think we already filled our car up with gas, and we already picked up our supplies. So I think the only thing left is to head onto the road and start driving over to the Grand Canyon. So the Grand Canyon is like 30 hours away from where Southwest Florida is here. But yeah, let's head down to the road, head onto the highway here, and head straight down to the Grand Canyon. So I'll see you guys once we get to our next gas station, and once we reach to the nearest town. Yo guys, we have just arrived at the nearest town here. Very nice town, as you guys see. We are almost at the Grand Canyon. We are in a town somewhere in the mountains here, as you guys can see. But we do have a McDonald's here. I think I'm gonna stop at the McDonald's and pick up like some fries or something, because I am pretty hungry right now. Just stop the car here and let's head in and get some fries. Here we are. Very nice town. I'm not gonna lie, this is pretty creepy. Cannot lie there. Yeah, it's kind of creepy. I don't know if there's anybody working, but yeah, I don't think I'm gonna get my nuggets in there. Kind of creepy. But yeah, let's head over to the nearest gas station and probably fill this thing up with gas. Alright, I think I'm just gonna head out of this McDonald's real quick. Pretty creepy McDonald's in there, super dark. But yeah, I don't know if this town is abandoned or something, but I do not see anybody living at this town so far. But let's head into the gas station and fill this thing up with gas. Here we are. There you go, just filled this thing up with gas, and now let's continue on our road trip here. And hopefully nothing bad happens, because this town is not looking so good. But yeah, let's just keep driving down the road here. And I mean, the scenery on this in this town is very nice. But the only problem is I'm not sure if anybody is living at this town. Pretty creepy in my opinion, but just keep heading down the road here. I'm pretty sure we're near the Grand Canyon, There are some huge mountains here, but hopefully everything goes nice and smooth. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. But let's keep heading down the road here. Our GPS is showing us to head down this road. Oh my goodness, I almost lost control there. But let's keep driving down the road, and let's just probably record the driving because the scenery is very nice. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the ride.
Gangsta, had to let the dogs out. Strapped in, blast off, yeah, I'm finna ball out. Yeah, we used to talk a lot, whole thing, same thing. Had my lady iced out, neck cold, no games. I always wanna talk about new bags, new things. Now I gotta work you out, you been so fake. Understand, I don't need you no more. Make a band, I ain't sharing no more. What's a 10? Without me, you a whole 4. You got a plan, now you ain't in the yard. Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me, I send a text love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best up. I've been riding in my diamond, that's my Tesla. That's my Tesla, baby, I ain't next up. Steady, always blowing the money like an investor. Shawty is a tester, always trying to catch up. Now she's always stuck in the past, seeing she messed up. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, it has just gotten dark here, and I'm not gonna lie, this town is so creepy. What the heck? There's like nobody living in this town, and it is just so dark right now. No lights, anything, bruh. Can't even see the road. Oh my goodness, this is creepy. But oh my goodness, what? And my GPS has also stopped working. Do not know what is happening right now. But we are at, this town is just so creepy. I don't think I'm ever gonna, oh my goodness, it's just a van right there. But I think I'm just gonna find the road out of this town and get back to you guys once we reach the Grand Canyon. Yo guys, we have finally made it out of that creepy town, and we have finally arrived at the Grand Canyon in California. This is just so nice. Very dangerous though. A very steep drop down, but yeah, it's pretty dangerous, but I mean the scenery is just so nice here in the Grand Canyon. We have some water down there, down this cliff, but yeah, this is actually so nice. I think I'm gonna go zip lining actually. Hopefully I do not die, but yeah. So here's the zip lining place here. I think I'm gonna head on and just go zip lining. Hopefully I don't die, but I mean it's worth the try. The scenery is just so amazing here. But yeah, let's just head on to the here. It's easy, just cross and don't fall. It's possible, I think. Never mind, not zip lining. It's trying to. Oh my goodness, what the? Alright guys, let's just pretend that never happened. Bruh. Alright guys, I think I'm just gonna cross this place again. Hopefully. Alright, one last try. Alright guys, what a fun trip at the Grand Canyon. This was so fun. But yeah, I think that's gonna conclude this video guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.
Hey Ross, sauce it up.
Pull up in a ride, yeah, painted with some decals. I ain't never stopped, can't be trusting any females. Got a shorty blog, had a texting through the email. Walking right on top, I won't fall, that's a detail. You can call me, or send a text love. Going solo, but I wish you all the best love. Now this ain't just perfect time and place it best up.